Hi guys, if you're looking for a simple way to earn small money online in Nigeria, let me show you how this app works step by step. But please watch to the end so you don't make any mistake, okay? But please, before I proceed, disclaimer, I am not affiliated with OpinionPadi. This video is for educational purpose only. I have not withdrawn from this app yet, so I cannot confirm if it pays. Please do your own research before using any app. Okay? Go to any browser of your choice and type Opinion Party as you can see on my screen. Once you type it, it's gonna show. But I'm going to take it step by step how you can use the app successfully. And this app claim that you can earn up to 200 naira to 2005 per every survey you perform on this platform. But is it really true? Can you really earn money on this app? That is the question a lot of people are asking, because this is actually a survey site where Nigeria can earn extra income. This is not an get rich quick scheme app in Nigeria, but you can earn just small money there. You can use it to buy airtime, you can use it to just small income. Okay, but is it really true? Now, once you open the app, this is how you're going to be seeing the interface of the opinion party. As you can see, earn money by giving your product review, earn money by sharing your opinion, creating brand content in Nigeria. A lot of things you can do here. As you can see, testing an app, sharing your opinion. You can see it is actually coming here. But once you scroll down, you can see product review. This is what you're going to be um doing on this app in order for you to be earning extra income on this particular survey site. You can see that join thousands of Nigeria earning 5,000 to 25,000 monthly by completing survey, testing an app and website, and referring friends on the app. As you can see, almost 125,000 plus users are active. As you can see, they have paid out 2.5 million plus users. Okay, this is what they paid out. Okay, for people that are completely survey on this app, as you can see, 2.5 million plus. As you can, up to 500 plus have completed the tax daily. Okay, these people are performing the tax. Up to 500 plus Nigeria have been completing tax daily on this platform. Okay, and if you want to try it out, you can actually try it out because it's actually on a side hustle. It is not in a place where you can get rich quick scheme. But I want to show you more about this app. Make sure you watch this video carefully so that you not make a mistake, because any slight mistake you made here, it's going to cost you a lot and you might not even see survey to perform. You can see earn up to 200 to 2005 per survey. Either you are testing an app, anything you are doing, you're going to be earning either 200 to 2005 per survey naira. Okay, now let me just scroll down and show you how to sign up on this platform. Now you can see up to 125k users are there. Now you can see waitlist subscribers stand out to win up to 25,000 naira in credit when we launch. Now you need to click on this participant. Now we can get notified when survey and review become available. If you really want to join the wait list, now you need to fill your name and fill your address. And now you need to go ahead and put in your phone number. Very important. Okay, but I'm not going to be doing all of that now because of this particular video. I just want this video to be 9 minutes video, okay, so that I'll actually take you step by step how to do it. Okay, now you can see join as a participant that you need to go ahead and put in your phone number and put in your email, as I said before. Now, as you can see, why choosing Opinion Party? Nigeria's most trusted platform for survey, app testing, payout genuine opportunity. You can see where they say that you will earn up to 200 to 2,500 naira per survey. Complete a survey, test apps and website, and earn real money. Higher paying tax available for qualified users. Like if you are qualified on this particular app, and once they accepted you, you can actually earn up to 200 naira to 25, okay, naira. Any survey you perform, either you test an app or you review product or anything, as far as you qualify on this app, you're gonna be earning money. You can see refer and earn. You can actually click your link and but once you registered, you're gonna see the option of where you're gonna be inviting friends, where you're gonna be performing tasks, where you're gonna be doing some activities on the app. Click on the referral link and send it to your friends. And once you invite your friends, as you can see, earn 500 for each friends you refer plus 10% of their earning for the first month. Okay, you're going to be earning 500 naira, a premium. Okay, as you can see, premium tax you can earn up to 500 naira. Okay, but if you're not premium, you can earn up to 200 um to 5 per survey. You can see real people, these people that are actually telling people that the amount of money they've earned last month. You can see the review. OpinionPadi is light. Okay, you can see I've been using OpinionPadi for 8 months now, and the payout always on time. So you can see I have earned over 500 just for referral. This person actually said that it become reliable and income source. It is not, as I said before, it is not actually an a get rich quick scheme app where you can earn up to 50,000 naira. No, you earn up to 200 to 2005 per survey. It is not a higher amount. This is actually an app where you can use when you have free time. Okay, I have not withdraw yet, but I have family member that are doing this app. Okay, it is not an app that will make you rich. No, it doesn't make you rich. Just airtime, as I said before, just airtime tax. You can still start earning in simple tax. Once you sign up, you need to put in your phone number and you need to receive OTP. Okay, you can see create your account with just your phone number and I verify it with OTP. It will take less than 2 minutes, no length for okay. You need to verify your phone number. Okay, so before you can start the survey, you can see their withdraw is actually withdraw your earning to your bank account, mobile money or digital wallet. And the minimum you can withdraw on this app is actually 500 naira. 500 naira. It's actually too poor because once you try a survey and it actually complete 500, you can actually withdraw it to know if it is light, which I haven't withdraw yet. Okay, so this is actually the first time I'm starting this, so I started to record this and show you guys that if you really want to try it out, it's an a side hustle um app. After I go through it and read everything, I said to introduce this app. If you really want to try it out, you can actually go ahead and try it out. If you have tried it out before and it did not pay you, comment to the comment section below. Tell me your experience on this app because I just download this app. That's why I'm giving review because anything I'm doing is actually when I bring here and I'm actually starting it right now. Okay, so that is just it. So if you really want to try it out, go ahead and try it out. The minimum here is just 500 naira. It's not a higher amount. Okay, so you can see that you can actually earn up to 200 to 2005 per tax. So you can actually withdraw it and test it if it is real or not. If it is not real, you can cut it off. So that is just it for now. Like I said before, if you have tried it out for the first time, and share your experience about this app. Okay, if it is working, you will tell us. If it is not working, you will tell us. Okay, thank you so much for watching, guys, and see you guys on my next video. Bye.